MTA headquarters.
Man, this is like this looks like Ragnarok. It's freaking icy apocalypse. There's this game called Max Payne. It was for the original PlayStation, and it was like, Max Payne was a badass game, wasn't it? Do you remember the storyline?
Yeah, because
Wife got killed by junkies, and come to find out, the government was making the corporations ran the government. And they made the freaking drug, and they were testing it on these people down in these underground bases, and they were basically the wife ended up seeing some memo, and then they sent the junkies in there to kill her and made it look like it was just a junkie robbery. But at the end of it, it ends up being a woman who's behind it all. It basically almost kind of looks like it's kind of a Hillary Clinton figure of a woman. It was a pretty cool game, and you see a lot of like predictive programming in that game that is going on in real life, especially with the drug on it. These days, there's a lot of people flipping out and having like freaking bath salt psychosis, and it was predictively programmed in that game. And there's a lot of like little hidden occult kind of references in it, which was kind of weird.
With a semi, bro.
Yeah.
That nigga's trucking, bro. He's doing 60, bro.
Yeah, he's rolling
That
out.
nigga's about to kill somebody. Hey, for real, that nigga's passing people in the fast lane. No, he's in the lane he's not supposed to be in.
Yeah, I think those things are so heavy though, man. They might.
No, but trucks are supposed